Hello guys! In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove bloatware on your Android device, which in this case is the Tecno Spark GO 2024 edition, easily and for free. Let's begin. First, I will show you some apps like T-Spot cannot be uninstalled, unlike others like the TikTok Lite app and Messenger app which can be removed. This Tecno Spark GO 2024 smartphone is an Android 13 Go edition version of Android, so it may have only a little bloatware unlike the regular version of Android. Okay, now we start by going to the link in the description box below. Copy and paste it in your web browser. Now this is the app we are going to use to remove bloatware. Canta app, which can uninstall app without any root, for as you can see, we have a lot of stores, but we only need the Google Play Store. Next up, we are going to download the prerequisite app of Canta. We can find it in this link or just search for it in the Google Play Store. Then just click Install and wait until it finishes installing. Now open it and we will follow the instructions, so watch carefully. This is going to be easy as we have an Android 13 already. We can do this without a computer. Now click Pairing and allow notifications to be posted. Then we will need to enable wireless USB debugging first and pair this app. Next, go to your settings and find build number, then click it 8 times to enable developer options. Then go back to the app and click on developer options. Scroll down and find USB debugging. Press it and click OK to turn it on. Also click wireless debugging and enable it, then press allow. We will now pair the app to our device. To do that, click pair device with pairing code. Enter the code shown to the notification of the app above and click the blue up arrow button. Then a pairing successful notification will appear if you did it correctly. Then finally, to start the wireless ADB service, just go back to the app again, and if it doesn't start, simply turn on and off again the wireless USB debugging in the developer options. Then hopefully, when you go back to the app, it should start to load the script and start the service. Finally, when you see this, we will now be able to use Canta to uninstall unnecessary apps on our device. Just simply open your web browser again and navigate to the website of Canta like what we did earlier in this video. Scroll down and download the APK file. After downloading the file, open it. And if it doesn't show this pop-up, simply enable the permission to allow your web browser to install apps. Then simply click Install and open it afterwards. From here we will see all the apps in our device. We can basically remove anything we want, like for example, this one AHA Games, which cannot be removed normally, as you can see. There is no option to uninstall, only disable, which just hides the app but still use storage. Simply tick the box next to it. Click the delete button and OK to uninstall. Allow Canta to access all the time, and voila! It's now gone in our system. Then from here on out, we can just remove any bloatware or app that we don't want like CarCare, and etc. We can always reinstall them through the Google Play Store or by downloading their APK files. Just be careful not to uninstall system apps that are labeled system. I suggest remove the ones labeled as recommended. Note that I will not be liable if you break your device. This video is just for educational purposes only. Look at these 2 apps that cannot be removed normally. As there is no uninstall option, thankfully, we now have this method to do it easily. The best part is, You can do multiple uninstalling at once by simply ticking the box of the apps you want to remove. Then click the delete button. You can click the three dots to sort the apps into recommended, up to unsafe apps to remove. Lastly, notice that when you click the uninstall button, the apps on your device disappear immediately, meaning to say, we did it. Yay! In the end, just turn off the app and developer options and restart your device if needed. Then that's basically it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can make more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.